Hey guys, so the client wants uh 20 bracelets made out of black wax cord and blue cord. So we want to go quickly, quietly, and effortlessly. So what we do is we string out the some of the wax cord on the loom here, and we um how we call it, uploaded the beads onto the string, and we tie them really tight, so when we walking on the loom it would stay tight. So we do this process, and then we do the cutting up of the wax cord, a yard and a half, a yard and a half with the cord as well. So you basically, you load up your beads on your string, on your loom, and you cut up your cord a yard and a half, and then you're ready to start. You know what I mean? So can't wait for to see the end product. Stay tuned. Thank you.